Hello friends, today we have learned about the generator protection. Generator is the very important and the costly equipment in the electrical power systems. So it is accompanied by the prime mover excitation system, voltage regulator, cooling system, etc. So its protection is very complex and elaborate. So a modern generating system provided with the following protective schemes. So there are three type of protective scheme: stator protection, rotor protection, and miscellaneous protections. Protection is required because there is a fault in the stator part, fault in the rotor part, or there are various miscellaneous fault is there. What do you mean by fault? Fault is basically defined as the abnormal condition, or it is defined as the defect in its electrical circuit due to which the flow of current is diverted from the intended path. So the first is the stator protection. Why stator protection is required? Because there is the fault on the stator part, means there is face to face fault or face to earth fault or interturn fault is there. So we have to the following protective scheme we have used, that is differential protection, percentage differential protection, protection against stator interturn fault, and stator overheating protection. Next is the rotor protection. Rotor protection means there is the abnormal condition in the rotor earth faults. So we have to use the rotor protection, and it is basically the field ground fault protection and the loss of excitation protection, and the third is the protection against rotor overheating because of the unbalanced three-phase stator currents. So basically there are three protection scheme in the rotor protection. And also there are miscellaneous types of protection for the generators, because there are various abnormal condition is that suppose the protection is over voltage protection. Because of the over voltage there is the protection is required for the generator, and the over speed protection. Next is the prime mover failure protection and the overloading protection. Next is the cooling system failure. If the cooling system is failure, then we have to require for the for that part of protection. Next is the over fluxing protection. So basically we have to protect the generator from the various types of abnormal condition. So basically there are three types of protection scheme is used for the generator protection. So I hope that you have to learn about this generator protection. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel Basic Electrical.